Hello everyone. Today we will going to see the solution how to make the content exactly center of its parent div or parent element. There is a two methods actually. One is by using position transform and position relative, and second method is by using the flux box. By using these two methods, we are going to make the content exactly horizontally and vertically center. Okay, to save the time, I'm going to I already created the template for this HTML view. Okay, this is the template. It has one is for position by using position and transform, one is for using the flux box. Okay, that one is first one. We'll be see the solution for first one. I'm going to add some CSS property. I already created the template. I'm going to add some more properties to that one, that is position relative to parent element. Okay, this is the parent and it has a child component called p tag. For p tag, I'm going to add CSS properties of position, absolute, and top 50%, and left 50%. Okay, after that I have to add a CSS property called transform equal to translate. Okay, transform equals to translate, that is minus 50%. It will move its element from left and top. First property is for left and second property is for top bottom. I'm going to add minus 50% left and minus 50% to top. Okay, we'll see the result output. Hope margin is added for this p tag. Yes, margin is there. We have to remove the margin. I will check in a dev mode by adding margin equal to 0. Exactly, yeah, we have to remove the margin. Okay, I'm going to add that property in the CSS, margin 0. Fine. Now I'm going to refresh the page and check the output. Yes, working correctly. Perfect. Okay, to this I'm we are using the transform method, right? The transform is it's going to move the component from its original positions to minus left 50% and its original positions to minus 50% top. So then it will be come exactly center. Before that we added top 50%, left 50%, right? Yeah, we will see the second solution by using the flux box. Okay, this is the second element. For this I'm going to add uh, display flux and justify content center. After that, align item center. The justify content will be make center x-axis, and align item will make center y-axis. We'll refresh the page and see that. Yes,